Namaskar and welcome to the course .NET Technologies. I am Mahavir Advaya, the course instructor. I'm working as assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and IT in Ramnarayan Autonomous College, Mumbai, India. I got 13 plus years of experience teaching and training the undergraduates and postgraduates in the field of computer science and IT. I welcome you all for the .NET Technologies course. .NET is a open framework that is used to build various applications. It is a cross-platform technology that helps us develop various types of applications like web applications, desktop applications, mobile applications, iOS applications. It supports various programming languages like C#, Visual Basic, F#, that helps us to develop applications at the faster pace. .NET is an upcoming technology that is used for developing the interactive and sophisticated applications in the IT industry. So what are you going to get after completing this course? So let's have a look at the course outcome. So after completing this course, you will be able to identify and compare various .NET frameworks that are available in the market. So there are many frameworks that are available in the market. So since the first version of .NET framework was released by Microsoft went on adding more and more features and components into the .NET framework that helps developing the application easily. So you'll be also introduced to the C# programming language, that is the base for developing the applications. Apart from C#, Visual Basic and F# is also used as a programming language. So .NET supports multiple programming languages, multiple libraries, the IDEs. So there are multiple IDEs and libraries that are available for application development using .NET. You will learn to use various controls that come with .NET. So now here we will be majorly focusing on ASP.NET, that is a technology used to build web applications. So we'll be using multiple controls to build web applications, to build web pages, web forms. So we require various controls to be put on the forms like text box, buttons, radio buttons, checkboxes. So there are ready-made controls that come with .NET, and we'll be using these controls. So we'll learn how to use these controls and design an interactive web page. You'll also learn to integrate the database with the front end. So database plays a very important role in any application. So we need to store the data into the database and so that it can be retrieved whenever is required. So we'll also learn how to use the database. The database management system that we're going to use is SQL Server. So we'll be using the 2015 version of SQL Server that will help us. So we'll see how to integrate the front end with the back end, that is the database management system, SQL Server. And at the end of this course, you'll be able to develop a fully functional website using ASP.NET technology. So we'll be majorly focusing on ASP.NET in this. So there are various ways of developing applications using ASP.NET, VB.NET. So these are the technologies that come with the .NET framework, and we use these technologies for building various applications. So let's have a look at the course content. So there are the entire course is divided into 3 units in which you will be learning the basics, the programming, and also the database part. So in unit 1 we will be talking about framework, .NET framework and its components. We will see what are the various frameworks that are available in the market and its components, how the components are added, or how the components enhance the .NET and made more and more application supportable. So you will be also introduced to the C# programming language, that is the base for developing the application. That is also known as the business, or we write the business logic using the C# programming language. You'll also introduce in unit 1, you'll also learn using various controls. So there are various controls, and there are many controls that are used to design a web application. So there are rich controls, validation controls. So we'll be talking about all these controls, and we'll see how to use these controls for designing a web application. Apart from that, we need some management skills for the website, so that you can manage the user credentials, we will also talk about user security. We'll also talk about the interactive design. We'll talk about master pages. So in unit 2, you'll be learning all the various aspects of web application development. And unit 3 deals with the database management system. So we'll here learn how we can connect the backend with the front end, that is your web page and the database. So here we'll be talking about ADO.NET. So ADO.NET is again the part of .NET framework that helps us integrating the application with many different types of databases. So not only SQL Server, you can integrate your application with MySQL, Oracle, and whatever the database management systems that are available. So it provides a cross-platform integration. You will also learn the link queue. We'll see XML, what is XML, and at the end we'll see what is the MVC model. So this is how the entire course is divided into 3 units. So hope to see you soon in the course. Thank you.